What's going on, family? Back with another video, and today we're working on a sound system in the Caprice. So basically what we need to do is we need to take this old speaker out, put this one in. This is a 10-inch mid-range PRV, 250 watts RMS, 500 watts peak. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this guy out. I'm gonna show you how to make some speaker rings, and then we're gonna put this in and we're gonna listen to it. But first, let's get a listen to what we got now. I could take 10 G's, make 20 more 10 G's with that. I could take 10 G's, make 20 more 10 G's with that. I could take 10 G's, make 20 more. All right, family. First things first, let's get this door panel off. 2 screws here, 2 screws here, 1 screw here. The rest of it is door clips. So let's get that off. Okay, so you got your door panel off. This is already an aftermarket speaker, but it's blown. It don't sound good anymore, so we're gonna get that swapped out. But what we're gonna do is we'll be able to make some custom speaker rings because of this is twice the size of the one that's in there. So let's get that one out and we'll go from there. All right, family, so you got the other one off. Now what we need to do is test fit our new speaker, as well as draw out exactly what we need to make this work. So what I did was I made a piece of cardboard. Then what you want to do is take this and transfer it on your wood. So all I did was took this drawing, put it here, traced everything out. Then I made my outline. This will be cut out for my speaker. Okay, so basically how I got my hole is if you measure this, it's about 8 inches across. Flip it over. That flange is about 1/2 inch. So you minus 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, and that gives you a 7-inch circle. Cut your circle out first, and then I'll get back with you. You have your ring cut out. Put that guy in place. Now it's time to make space for the speaker. So this all looks decent. This will all be an issue. So all of this will be cut out. So now you get an angle grinder or some tin snips and cut this out. All right, so there's 2 ways to do this. The hard way, the easy way. I'm gonna show you both. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole here and here. I'm gonna attach this wood frame to the door. Then I'll drill holes for the speakers and we'll get those attached. plug in my windshield, and I'm gonna make sure the window doesn't hit any of these screws on the backside. Solid. Now we'll put the speaker in and we'll test the same thing. Everything looks good there. So all we got to do now is fix our wires and then bolt our speaker in. So let's get these fixed. That's what I'm using. Okay, family, you got everything back together, man. Basically, it's just the repeat of taking everything off, so I didn't show you that part. But let's see how she sounds. All right, family, so that is the video. There we go. Boom. All right, family, so that is the video, man. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, tell me what you want to see next. I got other videos in the works for you, you know, little hints and stuff. But I appreciate you watching, man. I put a lot of work into this. We're gonna get better every day. I'm working to get better. I'm gonna bring more content, be more consistent. So peace, man. I'm out.